Hi, good morning children. How are you all? Hope so all are fine and safe at home. Okay, so third standard, take out your English textbook. Yeah, very good. Everyone have taken out your English textbook. Yeah, take out your pencil along with it. Very good. So see, we have started with our first unit, okay children? And we have completed our first, second and third lesson. Okay, first was your poem and other two were your lessons. Okay, and today we are starting with our fourth chapter, a string song. Okay, what we are starting with today? Fourth chapter, a string song. Okay, so see, open everyone page number 5. Everyone are with me? See, this is your page number 5. Can you see everyone? This is your page number 5. Take out this. Take out a pencil along with it. Yeah, very good. So let me start. Okay children. So see, this is an activity. Okay. It is an activity. So let's read. See here, form a string song. Form groups of 8 to 10 children each to play this game. This is a great game. Okay. If you were in school, we must have done this activity, but now you are at home. Okay, so you can do this with your parents, with your brother, sister, or if you have friends near you, you can form a group and do this activity. Okay, I'll tell you what we have to do. Okay, now see, this is the, how many children are there over here? Here 3 children are there. Okay, how it is? A string song means, see, a sentence is told by first child, the same sentence will be repeated by the second child and he adds his own sentence, his new sentence to it. Okay, then again the third child. Okay, now comes the third child. The third child will repeat the first child's sentence, the second child's sentence, and he also add his own sentence. Okay, if you are not understanding, see over here. See, this is first child. Okay, he will repeat a sentence. Okay, he will tell a small sentence. I brought, see it is here given. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I brought? It is bought, okay, not brought. Brought and bought are two different things, okay. You always have to say bought, okay, when we buy something from shop, okay, it is called as bought. Always remember, see here, brought and bought. This is the correct word when we buy something from shop. So you have to say always bought. Okay. So see, first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apple. That's what I got. Okay. So he says, some red shiny apples I have brought. That's what I got. So he completed his sentence. He has completed the sentence. Now comes the second child. Now second child repeats the sentence of first and he adds his own sentence. Okay. See, the second child says. The second child adds something, means he is adding one more sentence to it. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, what the first child said, and he repeats again that sentence and he adds his own one sentence. Okay. What he is adding? A big loaf of bread. That's what I brought. Okay. Now he has repeated it. He has added a sentence to it. Now comes the third child. What the third child will do? He will repeat the first, second, and he will add his own sentence. Okay. Now what he will say? I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Now see what he is saying. Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, and a pack of color pencil. That's what I got. Okay. Same way we'll continue the song, string song. See here, the fourth child. Now what he will do? He will repeat the first sentence, the second child sentence, the third child sentence, and the fourth child will add his own sentence. Now these 1, 2, 3 sentences and his own sentence. Okay children. Now the fifth child will do the same. First sentence, second child sentence, third child sentence, fourth child sentence, and fifth child will add his own sentence. Okay. Now doing this, there are 6 children, suppose. Then they will repeat the same sentence and sixth one will add his own one sentence. This chain is called string song. Okay, what it is called? String song. Okay, are you all understanding? So what is given over here? That first child will say something, he will state a sentence. Okay, then comes this, next is the turn of the second child. The second child will repeat the first child's sentence and he will add his own, and this chain repeats again. Okay, now you can see here pictures given over here. See, a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas. Can you see the picture? A big jar of honey, a pair of blue bangles. Okay, some juicy ripe mangoes, a pack of liquid soap. Okay, a sack of gram flour. Okay, so these are some sentences. You have to do an example of it. Okay, now I'll tell you how you have to do. Now see, the first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Okay, now he'll say a string of white flowers. Okay, what he brought? A string of white flowers. That's what I got. Now it is the turn of the second child. What the second child will say? I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Now he will repeat the first child's sentence. A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas. That's what I got, isn't it? Now see, the third child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey. That's what I got. Okay, now see the next child. Okay, the fourth child. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers. Now he is repeating the sentences of first, second and third child. This fourth child is repeating 3 sentences and he will add his own sentence. Okay, now see, a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey and a pair of blue bangles. Okay, now here 4 children have completed. Now comes the turn of 5th child. Now he will repeat first, second, third and fourth sentence and he will add his own sentence. Now see how he will say, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pair of blue bangles, some juicy ripe mangoes. That's what I got. Okay, now here 5 children have completed. Next is the turn of the 6th child. Okay, this is how the string song is formed. Okay children, so listen. 6th child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? I brought a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pair of blue bangles, some juicy ripe mangoes and a pack of liquid soap. Okay, he is adding his own sentence, a pack of liquid soap. Okay, now comes the next, the last child. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th child, what he will do? He will repeat the sentence of first child. He will repeat the sentence of second child. He will repeat the sentence of third child. He will repeat the sentence of fourth child. He will repeat the sentence of 5th child. He will repeat the sentence of 6th child and he will add his own sentence. Okay, now see, he will say, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Okay, a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pair of blue bangles, some juicy ripe mangoes, a pack of liquid soap and he is adding his own sentence, a sack of gram flour. Okay, that's what I got. Now see, here 7 pictures are given. I have formed a string song. This passing from this to this, this to this, this to this, this to this and etc. This is called a string song. Okay, now we are forming here a string song, means one child is connected to the another child. Okay, okay children, you understood this? Yeah, very good. So see, I will tell you one example. Okay children, see here some Here some pictures are given. Okay, so today's your homework will be, you have to see these pictures, okay children, and form a string song, but you can add your own sentence. Means see, I'll give you example. I went to the market, do you know what I bought? See, a string of beads. Okay, a string of beads. You know what is beads? हे मणी असतात ना, त्याला beads म्हणतात. Beads, money. Okay, beads. A string of beads. That's what I got. Now the second child will say, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Now what he will say? First child sentence, and he will add his own sentence. A string of beads, a bunch of flowers. Okay, he can say a bunch of flowers. Okay, that's what I got. Now comes the third child. What the third child will do? He will repeat the first sentence, second sentence, and he will add his own sentence. Now what he will say? I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? A string of beads, a bunch of flowers, a big jar of, you can say, sauce. Okay, a big jar of sauce. Okay, that's what I got. Now the next child will say, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? What he will say? Do you know what I bought? He will repeat the first child sentence, second child sentence, third child sentence, and his own sentence. Okay. Now see, a string of beads, a bunch of ripe bananas, a big jar of sauce, a pair of, what he will say? A pair of shoes maybe. Okay. A pair of shoes. That's what I got. So same way you have to form a string song. The homework will be, you have to yourself write in your notebook. Okay, you have to write the lesson name, a string song, and you have to do how it is given over here. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? What I told you? A string of beads that you have to write. That's what I got. The second child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Okay, he will say a string of beads and a bunch of big flowers. Okay, this you have to write over there and continue till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 children. Okay, 7 strings, 7 connections you have to do and write your poem in your notebook. Okay, a string song you have to write a string song in your notebook and just click a photo and send it to me. Okay children, will you do, or everyone will do this homework? Will everyone do this homework? Yeah, very good. You have to do. See children, it is very interesting. If you were in school, we have done this activity. Okay, so everyone have to do this. This is your small homework. It is very easy. You will be also happy. Okay, when you all, your friends or you're at home, you do this. It will be very happy. You will enjoy this activity. Okay children, so make a string song, write in your notebook and click a photo and send it to me. Okay children, this will be your homework. Everyone should do this. Okay, it's compulsory. Everyone do this homework and then only your presentee will be marked. Okay children, yeah, very good. So everyone understood what I taught today, a string song. Everyone are clear with the topic? All are clear with your homeworks? Yeah, very good. Okay, so everyone do your homework. Be happy, be safe at home. Okay, bye. Thank you children.